Let's take a tour of the Pages tab and see what it can do. You can access this tab by opening the project or selecting it from the menu. Your project currently includes just one page of your website, specifically the URL you provided when creating the project. To add more pages, click the New Page button, paste the URL, and name the page. Adding a new page may take some time as PageGazer analyzes the page elements. When you click on a page, it will appear on the right, in the viewport with areas of interest, AOIs, highlighted. You can edit the name or URL at any time, or delete the page if needed. You can switch between pages using the list or the address bar, which is helpful when you want to navigate between pages while using another tab in PageGazer. Here you can see the AOI map date. What is it? PageGazer detects areas of interest, AOIs, on a page, including text, images, videos, links, and more. Since websites are dynamic and change over time, it's important to redetect AOIs whenever your page layout is updated or changed in any way. The AOI map date indicates the last time the page elements were detected. AOIs are crucial for collecting and analyzing data on a responsive live website, as page elements reflow at different resolutions. You can customize the appearance of AOIs. First, you can toggle their visibility on and off using this switch. Here you can access AOI settings. We'll explain AOI sizes shortly, so let's skip that for now. You can select the types of elements for which AOIs are shown: buttons, texts, images, videos, links, or other elements. Here you can choose whether to display all AOIs, or just the saved or detected ones. Later in this video, you'll learn how to detect and save AOIs. Visibility refers to whether elements are immediately visible on the page, such as the page title, or hidden, like pop-ups and dialog boxes. You can choose to display AOIs for either visible or hidden elements only. AOIs are color-coded by element type by default, but you can change this by coloring them according to status or visibility. Finally, if the colorful AOIs on the page become too overwhelming, you can toggle this black and white filter. The AOIs and the black and white filter are only visible to you in PageGazer. Your participants will not see them during the recording session, they will only see your website as usual. How do you change, add, delete, or save AOIs? To see the list of AOIs, click Open. Now, on the left side, you will see a list of auto-detected AOIs. You can save them all at once, add a custom AOI, or redetect. When you save an AOI, it will remain even after redetection. This feature is useful for capturing every single element on the page. If an element wasn't auto-detected, you can add it manually. Click the Add Custom AOI button, then click on the element in the viewport. Done. A second panel will appear, displaying the settings for this newly added AOI. All AOIs have these settings. You can select any AOI from the list or the viewport to view this panel. What can you do here? Firstly, you can delete or save the AOI. Secondly, you can change its type if it was detected incorrectly. The DOM anchor setting is based on the code structure and allows you to set the AOI at a higher, parent, or lower, child, level. You can also adjust the position of the AOI in relation to the corresponding element either in percentage or pixels. AOI variations are essential for A/B testing. You can create different versions of an element and show participants pages with varying images, text, etc. For image AOIs, you can upload alternative images. For text AOIs, you can modify the text. Additionally, for all types of AOIs, you can create a code variation. To complete the setup for an A/B test, refer to the Tasks tab overview. What should you do if some page elements were not detected? First, save the ones that have been detected. Next, examine the undetected elements. Are they relatively smaller or larger? This is where the AOI size comes into play. Adjust the AOI size and redetect. PageGazer will then attempt to detect smaller or bigger AOIs. Repeat this process until all necessary AOIs are detected. Remember to save the well-detected AOIs before redetecting each time. That's it for today. Explore the other tab overviews to become an advanced user of PageGazer.